Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about the part two, law of attraction. So if you haven't watched the part one, you have to go back and watch the YouTube part one. What is a law of attraction? So I'm trying to talk about how we can understand how the law of attraction works in our life, every day to every day in our life, and how we can use law of attraction around our goals. So as long as you got the personal goals and professional goals, so I'm trying to build my business, and whatever your goals are everybody's goals are different, and as long as you got the right goals, not any goals I'm talking about, the goals you always wanted, the goals you always wanted to achieve. So it can be around your business or new business, or you're trying to uh, create a new business, or whatever. So as long as you got the right goals. So today I'm going to talk about the your thoughts are attraction. So whatever you are attracting in your life around your business or personal goals or profession goals, and your thoughts are attraction. Your thoughts, your own thoughts, you are thinking, you are attracting everything. So that's what we have to understand today. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Anita Bansal. I am consultant of thinking into result. My mentor is Bob Proctor. This what I have learned, and this what I going to share with you is helping me. And it's not about becoming perfection or perfect in something. It's about understanding how everything works, and as a law of attraction, and how we can use in our life every day to every day, the whatever's happening in every day our life around business or personal goals or professional goals, and how we can use that information, and we can go along with it. And so I am building my business, and if you are working around the business can be your new business. Maybe you want to make a more money, or maybe you're trying to have a new business, but what you are thinking, I cannot do it. No way I can do what you want, and whatever you are thinking at the moment, this is what we have to understand how the law of attraction works. And so I'm going to give few examples, and while I'm going to talk about the law of attraction, how it works, and with the examples we can understand better how the law of attraction works in every day to every day in our life. And so your whatever you're attracting in your life around your business or personal goals or professional goals is to do with your own thoughts. So you might be surprised to hear that. And most of the time we are not aware of it, and we start to think whatever is happening around in the environment, whatever is happening around the world, and we think the reason is that is impacting me. And the truth is to do with everything how we think, and your own thoughts are creating your reality, and how we feel about whatever we are thinking, that's what we attract. So if we are not aware of it, how the law of attraction works, and we can go in a roller coaster, we can create the circumstances or the situations like around and around and around. And so nobody like to live in that situation, and everybody wants to change whatever is happening to them. And so law of attraction can help you to change that pattern. And this is what I'm going to talk about. So today I'm going to talk about the part two, and how we are attracting everything. So let's start with the your attraction is your own thoughts. So whatever your thoughts you are thinking in a metaphysical something we cannot see. Thoughts you cannot see it, but we are still thinking the thoughts, we are still creating it, we're still thinking about something, and whatever we are thinking as our thoughts, and that's what we are going to attract. And first, whatever you're thinking as your thoughts, and how we feel about those thoughts, and that is what we're going to attract it emotionally. How you feel about it, whatever you're feeling about it, and as emotions, and that's what you're going to attract. And so how we can stop that? And I have to give you example. Say example, you're trying to build your business, and you're thinking, I cannot do it, whatever, maybe new business. And you may be thinking, I cannot do it new, or create a new business, or do something new, something you always wanted, or maybe new I don't know, whatever. So for me, definitely I'm trying to build my business. And I, because of the law of attraction, and I can do that because now I know how to think and attract that circumstances, and whatever my needs are, because I know how to create my thought pattern. And then that way you can and create according to the circumstances and the situations. And that's what we are talking about. That's what I'm talking about today. How you can use a law of attraction around your goals. So whatever your thoughts you are thinking, thought comes like one thought, then another thought, then another thought, then another thought. They connects together, and once is a pattern, is the same pattern every single day, every the things you are thinking all the time, and you're creating the same pattern, and that going to become that your belief, and that is what you're going to experience. And if you're not experiencing something, not you don't want, or you want to change it, you have to start thinking according to, say example, you wanted to have a new business, or maybe you wanted to create something new around your business, and or maybe more money, or maybe whatever you're trying to attract. And you have to start to think according to, say, if you want to build your business and you wanted to expand your business, you have to change that pattern to think you can do it as your thoughts. And if you start and keeps creating same thoughts, that pattern, and emotionally if you are connected to that, you're definitely going to attract that. And but if you are thinking, oh, I cannot do it, no way I can create that, no way I can expand my business, or whatever you're trying to do around your business, and you're emotionally, you're going to connect to that pattern, and that whatever you're thinking is going to become that pattern. And emotionally you're going to think, you're going to feel bad about it. You're going to think, oh, I cannot do that, or no way I can create that. So that is what and how you're going to it keeps attracting the same situation, same pattern, same beliefs. And to change that, you have to change your thought pattern first, and you have to start thinking what you want, and then you have to keep creating the same thoughts every moment, every single day, and to to become that pattern, and to become that person. And doing that, you're going to feel emotionally differently. You're definitely going to feel good about yourself, because you are creating the pattern you want, and you are creating the pattern emotionally how you want to feel. And that way you're definitely going to attract according to what you are thinking and how you're feeling emotionally. And so whatever you're attracting, your thoughts, and and the thoughts you're thinking and how you're feeling emotionally, that's what you're attracting. So to change that, you have to change your thoughts, and then you have to change your how you're feeling about whatever you're thinking as your thought pattern, and emotion. We are attracting everything according to the emotion, and I'm going to talk about that on our next uh, uh, lesson, and how that works, emotions, how we are attracting it. And all you have to understand today, your own thoughts and your own thought pattern and your beliefs and how you're feeling about whatever you're thinking emotionally, and that's what you're attracting. To change that, you have to change your thought pattern, and you have to change emotions, how you're feeling about whatever you're thinking, and how you want to think, how you want to feel, and that's what you're going to attract. If you want to attract something good around your business or new business, or you want to expand your business, you have to start to think according to, you have to start to think, of course I can do it, and I can, and emotionally you have to start feeling good about yourself. For me, this is how I'm creating my business, and because I know I can do it, this is what I have learned. It's not about a lot of education, it's about how we are programming our own mind. And it's not about gathering the information, it's about how we are using the information. And once you know how the law of attraction works, and you can use according to your needs around your business or your personal goals. So hopefully this lesson going to help you. Law of attraction, your own thoughts, your own emotions, you're attracting everything around whatever's you're working around. And if you're not, things are not working for you, change your thoughts, the pattern you're thinking, and change your emotions, how you're feeling. You're definitely going to see that change, but it's a constant, uh, you have to think every moment, every single day, and it's ongoing process. And if you can stay there, you're definitely going to change it, and you're going to see the change. So law of attraction is working all the time. Just like example I'm going to give you, after day night comes, after night day comes, and it's ongoing process. And same with the law of attraction, working 24 hours, and non-stop, and the mind thinks 24 hours also. So we have to start thinking according to what we want around our business or personal goals or profession goals. So hopefully this lesson going to help you. If you haven't watched the part of one, please go back and start watching the part one. And this is a part two. Thank you for watching the YouTube. If you like the YouTube, leave your comments and your likes, and let me know how the law of attraction is working for you, and what are you working around as your goals. So if you do need a further help, and let me know, I can help you around your goals, your personal goals and professional goals also. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. And I'm going to talk about on a next YouTube. I'll let you know because it's all around law of attraction. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.